Mas malapit siya sa dati naming bahay.
Yung una?
Yeah. Mas malapit doon. Sarap nung pwesto nyo ha. Ayos ba? Pwede nyo buksan yung ano, bintana. Yeah. May bintana yan. Yeah. Ay, sarap. Thank you, Lord. Ay, opo. Kasi ano to eh, world renowned na ano, sikat siya sa buong mundo eh. Kaya syempre, lahat ng tourist gusto nilang puntahan. Dati naming bahay. Ay hindi, mamaya idaan natin si Pastor Sandy kung saan namatay si Paul Walker. Doon lang yung sa kabilang kanto namin. Sa area namin, sa Valencia. Hindi ko alam.
Kasi nagda-drive sa kanya, yun yung nagpakabatang pa.
Oh, hindi naman siya nagda-drive.
Hindi ba siya nagda-drive? Hindi.
Pasahero lang siya.
Ikot lang siya ng friend niya.
Yeah, pasahero lang siya.
Sa out of control. Ano pareho silang kanto?
Eh, binuksan niyo yung ano. Balik mo yung ano, bintana para matupi mo ayos. Oo. Hinahangin. Hinahangin. Lakas yung hangin. And nagsisurfing.
Maliit na pero ang account
Lakas na.
Dito dapat pala nag-surf yung mga bata. Ang lapit, hindi rin sila.
Hindi. Merong area talaga.
dapat nandito ka sa malayo.
Yeah, may area talaga na pang...
Nababasag lang. Wow. Surfer.
Hindi na ko kasi sila edit.
Yung nagsisurf lang dyan, mga... ano lang yun, boogie board lang yun.
Sa San Diego, may maganda.
Beach na sa San Diego.
Yeah.
May have expensive place on the
San Diego.
Mas maganda ang weather dun eh.
So I have you notified for two times. You don't have to go back on the list. You won't go at the bottom though. You'll still be on top. I just don't have a place before. I haven't missed. Yeah, see right here? It says 2. But I can change it to 4 right now, and then the next 4 top that I have available, I'll give that back. Yes. No, yeah.
Am I
Yes. And you're not going to the bottom. It's not the top.
Kasi yung 2 gagawin lang niya.
Bango pa naman ng... Bango pa naman ng hipon.
Parang nanunokso kayo.
nagugas na kayo na kamay? Ako nagugas na rin ako.
Alright, thanks for joining you guys. It's gonna be our regular menus right there, and this one's gonna have our bar on it, okay?
Thank you. Hugas lang ang kamay.
Sweetened or unsweetened or raspberry? Or raspberry. Raspberry. And so we have one water with lemon, one Pepsi, one spicy, one fresh raspberry. Any other beverages, guys? We're ready to order. Okay, go ahead, no problem. So 2 pounds of chicken mix. Was it the traditional shrimp or? Yes, chicken. Okay, 2 pounds chicken mix, so spicy. Then mayo. Then put 2 orders of okra. 1 order of corn.
Pagka paano na to?
And 1 order of shiitake. Then 1 soft shell crab. With fries or without? With spice. Did you want like, did you want to fry with the soft shell crab? Yeah. Do you want to do it a la carte? We can find